Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your iPhone model and its screen resolution so the wallpaper fits precisely. This avoids blurriness and cropping. Next, gather a few high-resolution images from the Photos app, a trusted wallpaper app, or saved browser images. Once done, make sure iCloud Photos is enabled so full-resolution originals are available. That prevents the phone from using lower-quality thumbnails. Now open the Photos image you want and prepare to crop and position it for the next step. You crop and position the image inside Photos using the device ratio to preserve edges. That ensures critical elements don't get obscured by icons or the notch. Then tap the three-dot menu and toggle perspective zoom off if you prefer a static image versus the slight movement effect. Once satisfied, tap Done and choose Use as Wallpaper to preview both lock screen and home screen. This final preview shows how widgets and time will overlay, so you can iterate if contrast or readability is poor. You finish by selecting Set as Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both and confirming Save. That applies your chosen composition. If app icons or the clock compete with the image, reduce brightness slightly or apply a subtle dark overlay in edit mode to improve readability. This preserves the visual while keeping UI legible. If the wallpaper appears pixelated or blurry, re-download the original full-resolution file and repeat the crop process, because reduced source quality is the most common cause of poor results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.